From home file, everything you copy and then paste in the about. You can delete all content of about and paste the content from home. Like about will be the copy of home. From home.html, copy everything and paste into the about. From home.html, copy everything and paste into about. So home page and about page both will look similar. Home page and about page both will look similar. We have to modify one by one. Okay, so about we taken the copy of home. Now after that, from about file, you will remove the everything, remove the section, banner, and remove this all. Keep this much. Okay, today about file, we taken the copy of home. CSS remains same. Menu also is same. We have taken section and footer because footer is going to be the common in all the pages. Under section tag, we can change the content. Check now your home file and about file, how that look. Home file also have the footer in the last, and about file also should have the footer in the last. Home.html footer will be in the last. About.html footer will be in the last. Okay. Now about file only. The content of about you will copy. Okay, or let's complete the about page, then we'll move next. H1 you write, keep there about us. About us. For H1 ID equal to page title. H1 ID equal to page title. Okay, that is page title. Save the file. Once page title is coming. Oh, page title is not visible. Yes, it will not be visible. Before section tag, you have to apply 23BR. It is hiding inside the menu because we are given the navigation is a fixed navigation. 23BR we need to add. BR will help you. Maybe it will come out. Yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out. Next, after that, H1, we will create two blocks. In that two block, we will display the content side by side. Suppose, for example, container you are given here. In container, see what we wanted is we wanted to display the text here in the left side and one photo in the right hand side. Photo in the right hand side and text in the left hand side. So for that, we have to use the different type of property. So use the paragraph first and display some text. P tag we have used and displayed some text. Okay, paragraph is coming. Now this paragraph is covering full width. It should not cover the full width. Add more text here. And for paragraph, give ID equal to about about. After paragraph, display one image src equal to 1.jpg, height 150, width 150. Width maybe 20% you can give. Okay, so hope paragraph added and one img tag is also added. IMG tag will come to the new line here, but using CSS, we are going to place in the same line. After this image tag, write another P tag. There again display some text. We can use external CSS also. This is external CSS only, not internal CSS. What example we are writing, it is called external CSS, not internal CSS. Let's go ahead to the CSS file. Write the CSS for about. About. Hope you wrote the HTML. In CSS file, we have to write the CSS for. We have to write the CSS for about. About. Coming the last as about. Where 70% float left. Where's 70% float left? Yes, tell me. You have replied the email. When you replied, so I'm asking if you got any email. Not got means after half an hour we can call to other number of info campus. There is another number 88841 666. You can take from the website. Okay. 11 o'clock nearly you can call to that number. Coming one after other, side by side. You can write the CSS for photos also. Someone have asked you can write external CSS. That is not big deal. You can write here one ID called profile pic. Profile pic. For profile pic, give the width 20%. Give the height 200 pixel. Give some border radius. Border radius 20 pixel. Profile pic should be a ID. Start with hash profile pic. Okay, hope written profile pic. Now come to the HTML about page, and you can write here for photo, remove everything, ID equal to profile pic, that's all. So for photo, CSS will get applied. Let's see something like this. Okay, hope 3D looks similar or something else. Similar. Then we can work for next page, that is called contact. In contact page, we can add a contact form and we'll apply the CSS. Next file is contact.html. So already file we have, right? Contact file already we have. Mhm. Okay, so no problem. We can follow the same section and footer. In contact file, you can add the section tag, open close with the container, and add the same footer. Section is added here, and we can take footer also from the previous page, footer tag, and we can add here. Let's add these two sections in contact file. Okay, hope ready. Now after that, save the file, come to the contact page. Contact page is also ready with the header footer. Now inside that, you will open a field set. FIELD field set. Open and close, and then check what is happening if you use the field set. What is the use of the field set? I will guide you, but once you open the field set and close it, how that look? Check in the browser. Hope ready. So what is coming using the field set? Nothing up here because it is hiding inside the menu. Even to be here we have required here. UBR, to be here, you need to give to BR. Because navigation is the fixed navigation. Content will hide inside. Navigation is the fixed navigation. Content will hide inside. Coming, one kind of box will appear. That is also still on the top. Apply one more BR. One more BR you give and then check. It should come out. 3 BR is also not able to manage. 3 BR is coming. Okay. So field set will create a box. Simple. Okay. Field set will create a box. Now under the field set, we will add a new tag legend. Both are combination, field set and legend. Field set will create a box. Legend will apply the text. All always within the field set. Contact us. Contact us. Only one legend in one field set. Okay, ready? Let's go ahead. See now. Legend, what is doing? It's apply a label. Okay. Between the border, some text got applied. Now through CSS, we have to manipulate it. So now let's follow a table. Inside the table, write a tr, write the th, fitting in your name, and one text box. Input type equal to text. Apply a class here. Input box. Okay, over ready. So we got a text box. Something like this. Through CSS, we can change the look and feel of all. Add one more tr for your mobile number. Your email ID. ID, your message, message should be text area, text area open, text area close. Here you can write big box, big input box, class equal to big input box. We will make big text area, write one more tr, follow the td, call is span equal to 2, align center. In middle the button should come, go inside. Next after that we'll create a button, send a message. Yes, so hope ready. On contact form, basic contact form. Now using CSS, we can change the look of that. Okay, so hope ready. Okay, next for CSS we'll write for field set, then for legend, then for table. Or first we can write for table is also fine. Table tr pstd, then legend. So go to your CSS file. Anyone writing still? In CSS file, first we will write the CSS for keep field set as a parent, FIELD SET, field set as a parent, and table as a child. So the CSS will apply not for all the table, only those table that is under the field set. Because the CSS file is only one, and in the project level you are calling it. There may be some other place also you can use the table. It should not apply for all the table. So what we given? We given the limitation saying like okay, table for CSS should get applied, but only those table that is under the field set, not all. Okay. Let's go after that. Write the width 100%. 100%. Table width 100%. 100% width. After that, come down, write the CSS, but in the field set there should be table, and under the table if any tr is there, then their height should be then their height should be 45 pixel. Whose gap will come? Field set table and tr, then height how much? 45 px. Check now. Height got increased. Table height will get increased. Now inside the table, there is a tr. Under the tr, if any th is there, the th should be text align left. The th should be text align left. Text hyphen align at the left. Text align at the left. Okay, tr table tr th, text align left, and keep color as blue color, and check all the th. Is it in blue color now? All the th color will be in the blue color. Text color will be in the blue color. Text color will be in blue color. Coming in blue color. And what is the align? Center or left? Align is left. Okay, cool. Write one line here again. Okay, now this is will not write. We have created the field set. Now we'll write the CSS for field set. If so, understood how we are reaching till children? We are reaching till a particular th, but we cannot reach directly. You have to talk to whom? TR. TR you cannot go directly. You have to talk to the table. Table you can't go directly. You have to talk to the field set. If your th is following this structure, document structure, then your compiler can reach easily. So you are addressing to a th, but not all the th. Only those th. Its parent is tr. So definitely always th will come in tr, no problem at all. Tr will come in table here also, no problem. But problem is here. All the table may or may not be under the field set. Correct? All the table may or may not be under the field set. So it is applicable for which table? Those table that is under the field set. Okay. Not for all the table. Keep in mind. Okay. सब में अप्लाई हो जाएगा. It will apply. ID दे दो आप फिर. Give ID. Okay. Now let's come. Write the field set. Under the field set, FIE field set. Under the field set, write the width 400 px, margin auto, width 400 px, margin auto. Something like this. In that, if you write text align left, your legend will appear in the left side. Text align left, your legend will appear in left side. text align left, so it will come where? In the left side. Okay, now for field set you apply some border, border, border colon 10 px, inset orange color. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Golden color got applied. Okay, there should be some gap from top also in field set. Right, margin top, margin auto we have written one place. There also we can manage, but I'll write separate so that it will be easy for you to understand. Margin top 50 px. Margin top 50 px. Margin top 50 px. Some gap got applied. Now we'll write CSS for this field set. Legend. For field set we wrote legend. So write the CSS now for legend. Legend. Directly background green color. Padding from top 8 px, left right 30 px, bottom 8 px. Okay. Legend background green color, then color should be white color. Background green, color white. Hope ready. Check now. Something like this. So this outer border is ready. Inside color combination is also okay. Text box height we need to increase little, and button color combination we can change. Go ahead and see if we have a class called input box. That is for the text box. So we can write the CSS dot input box. Input box. Add inside height. Add inside height 30 pixel and width 100%. Check once. It will become little big size. It will be resize little. Okay, ready. Check now. Height of the text box is bigger. Similar way, width of the text area also should be bigger. So that is called big text box, big input box. I can big input box. Come down, write a big input box, big input box, big input box. Height and width we can change. Height later will be 80 pixel and width 100% for big input box. I will increase. Next, inside the field set, you need to add some padding. So the field set you have here, add little padding in that. Padding 30 pixel. Extension. Extension is Okay, so we added padding 30 pixel. It will become little space inside now. Earlier there was less space. Now the space will get increased inside. Now some CSS we need to write for button. This button. Directly we can write the CSS for button. Button. Background of the button. Blue color. Padding of the button. 10 pixel from top. 25 pixel from left right. 10 pixel in the bottom. A white color. Color is a white. Then after that, colon. Enter. Okay. Next after that, border. Colon none. No any border from any side. So, button appear like this. When your mouse will touch the button, padding top bottom should increase. Top keep 13, bottom also keep 13. Next after that, button colon over. Over. When you touch the button, background will become a black. Black. And one more property there called button colon focus. Button colon focus. Background colon red. So once you click on button, it will become a red. Once you move on button, it will become a black, and by default will be a blue. Focus meaning click. Over meaning move. Touch the button. Okay. Now let's check how it works. When we click here, red. When you move your mouse, black. Okay. In that button, you can write one line, margin top. From top, there should be some gap. Margin hyphen top 20 pixel. Margin hyphen top 20 pixel. Margin top 20 pixel. Margin top. What apply? See. In button, I have added margin top. Now go here and on click, you apply one more property, border radius. Border hyphen radius. Border radius 50%. Surrounding the button radius will get applied. It will not be complete sharp corner. It will become a something different circle, not circle exactly. Shape got changed once you click on that. Once you click on that, shape will get changed. Hope ready. So this page is ready. Contact page. About is already done. Home is well with this animation and all. Hope looking similar or anyone different. We check the code, compare your output. Gangadhar, you are here in Bangalore. You should come in class, no? If you are in Bangalore, you should come in the class, right? It will be helpful. Okay, go next. The next file we have to create, that is called service. Already file is ready. We need to add the header and footer. In service file, already we have navigation. We need to add the footer and section. In service file, you need to add the footer. And before that, you need to add the section tag id equal to container. Okay, so the service file, let us come in the service file. Follow a division. Okay, here also you have to write twice thrice br. br, br and br. 3 br I have added. Our services. Okay, our services. So hope our services is visible. Now under the our services, keep a division here. For that, you write id equal to main service. Main service. Under that, main service. Keep a comment here. Main service and here. Okay, ready? Come inside. Write the CSS division class equal to service. Inside that, you will keep call h1, not h1, h3. You can write software marketing. Below, keep a image. One.jpg. Below, write paragraph. This much. Service 1 start here. Service 1 end here. Please follow this group. Okay, ready? If you run this file, you will find photo will come such a big photo. Text will go somewhere else. We have to arrange it, then it will come properly. Okay. So right, check once. Photo is loading or not. Loading. Then we will write some CSS for this service and my service. One day we have implemented the display flags. You remember? Display flags. So for the main service, we'll apply the display flags. And for service, we'll not write float left. Automatically, it will come one after the other. Okay. So let's see how it is. Okay. Now come to the CSS file. Write the CSS for main service. Main service is a hash, right? Main service. You will write here display as a flex. Then you use the flex hyphen wrap colon wrap WRAP. Flex hyphen wrap will be as a wrap. From now below, you have to write the CSS for this block called service block. The service block is a class. Margin 1%, padding 1%, width 29.33%. Float left is not required. Height 250 pixel. Background don't give. One image is there. Under the service, you have one image. Service space img. Service space img. Service space img. Service space img. Width 100%. Height 100. You will find the image will fit inside the service block, and three photos, three service will come in one line, because we are given width 29.33% and margin padding 4%. So it will become total 2. Please check now. In online, one division is coming. Should be like this. So this service you can copy and paste 3 times. The HTML section. The service you can copy and paste 3 times. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the again CSS. Sorry, HTML. CSS written. This three section only, main service and then service. If float you have not written anywhere. Now let us go and add multiple division in one line. Service to service, copy and paste. Code I have sent in your chat. Service to service, you can copy paste. Okay, ready. So next, in HTML file, that is called service to service, you copy and paste again. Division to division. This division to division you have to copy and paste in the bottom. Paste here. Right call something. Sales and marketing. Then check two section is coming in one line. Two service will come in one line. Hopefully two service should come in one line. Add one more. Same division you can copy. Paste here. No, madam, info campus. Three.jpg. Healthcare. Then check. Three blocks should come in one line. Three blocks should come in one line. Okay, three blocks should appear in one line. You can add copy paste again below. It will go to the new line. You can copy and paste again. It will come to the new line. Copy paste again, same three block again. Same division, copy and paste three more times. See where it is taking the place. Added, copy paste done or not? Just last division, copy and paste again. Okay, copy and paste again. You will find one more row will get created. So little overlapping here. Why overlapping? We are given the height or mean height. For container, what is that? Height or mean height? Is the mean height still overlapping? So this much for today. In the website, how many sets are there for CSS? You saw yesterday. 6 plus 5, 11 photos are there. Okay. So expecting by day after tomorrow, Monday, you can finish all, and whoever will finish all and then reply back, yes, completed all, I'll upload the next. Okay, so total are now, in that total are 11 photos are there under the set number 2, CSS set number 2. I have put the link in the yesterday your WhatsApp group. So that it will follow, complete all 11 photos. After finishing the 11 photos, we can work on next one. Need to complete all. Okay, so HTML all is finished, right? HTML all, how many was there? 6 are there. 6 into 6, 36. It should be 34 only. 34 images. So hope we have completed that. Now we are going to enter under the CSS. 11 photos are there. Complete 11 photos. All are basic design. Only layout you need to design. Okay. You can use different kind of background color. Don't use border. Based on border, you will get confused. So apply the background color everywhere. Background color. Use everywhere BG color, and then you can try it. Hmm? कहाँ गए? तो वो है ना lmsglobe.com. वेबसाइट का नाम है lmsglobe.com. lmsglobe.com. In that it will go. There will be CSS assignment, HTML assignment. ये वेबसाइट आप सर्च करोगे सीधा info campus LMS. Info campus LMS. LMS. Info campus LMS. If you search directly here, it will come. Learning management system. Info campus. The first link only you can click. देखो उधर मैं क्या सर्च किया. I search info campus LMS. LMS Globe will come. The first link. Yes, in that we need to go and we need to click on where that assignment, HTML assignment. Here is the assignment block, assignment IT assignment. Inside that CSS assignment, once you click, then under the CSS assignment, you will have list of photos. See this. These are the basic photos. Okay, so this we need to try. After completion of that all, you can ping me in the chat, completed all. Then I will upload the next two. CSS file you can get if you are logging in the Zoom app. Without Zoom app, you cannot get the file. I have sent here. You can check if received. To get the file in the chat, You have to log in the Zoom app through browser. If you log in, you can't get file. Five. Then tomorrow will not log in. Tomorrow is a Saturday. Next Monday. By then, who will finish all and he will let me know for the next assignment.